Hi everybody, Diane Haggerty, Grassroots Taxes. Today I looked at the IRS website and I noticed something had changed. There's a new button. So I wanted to show you that today. So if we go to IRS.gov, I know you're not going to be able to see this, but I even brought my tablet. IRS.gov looks like this, American flag at the top. There's a new button here today. It says, Get Info on Economic Impact Payments. And there's two buttons on there on the new site. One is non-filers, enter your payment info here. So they make it sound like you're just entering where you want your stuff direct deposited. Unfortunately, when you click on that button, you know where it takes you? It takes you to the Free File Alliance. In other words, if you want your 2020 stimulus payment, you're going to have to file a 2019 tax return, even if you're not required to file. Now, remember, we talked about this before, if you get a Social Security check on a regular basis, you do not need to file. The IRS and Social Security, they're good buddies. They're sharing their list, and everybody who gets a Social Security check direct deposited every month will get their stimulus payment. You may have already gotten it. They started coming out today. But if you haven't filed for 18 or 19, because you don't have to file a tax return, that's fine, but you do need to file one, even that says, oh, just enter your information. Yeah. If you do not have any income to report, just report $1 in interest income. It doesn't make you pay any taxes, doesn't give you a tax liability, everything's fine, but it does have them know where your information is. Okay, they know where to find you, they know where to send the check, they know where to direct deposit your money, even if you haven't gotten a refund in the past. Now, the other button, it says, filers, get your payment. So they are going to put a portal on here. This is what I was telling you about last time. That's like if the IRS is going to let you update your direct deposit information, if they're going to let you update your information as to how much your check should be, or if they're going to let you track it, I told you, it's going to be on the IRS site. This button does not work yet. It is still blacked out, but it should work next week. And you can update your information and tell the IRS where to send your check, but it's going to be through the IRS Portal, which means you have to have an IRS.gov account. So if you go to their main page and say, view my account, open an account, same thing as we've talked about before. It takes about 30 minutes most of the time to set up an account. It is not a quick process. It is a very secure thing. You need a text message, you need email, and you need one of your prior tax returns, because they're going to ask you for the address on it and what year you lived where. And then they'll probably also ask you some information from your credit report. So it's a very secure system. It's going to be a two-step authentication process every time you log in. In other words, they're going to send you a text code to log in. Don't wait until you're trying to figure out where your payment is first. Do it now while you have time. Open an account with IRS.gov, and then you'll be able to track your payment and see where it is. That's all I got for you today. I hope everybody's staying well. I hope everybody's staying home. And remember, folks, I got your back.